Hello, welcome to my channel, and today I'm doing another creative photo idea. So I was super excited to try something new. So I wanted to do a photo where I was laying down. So as you see, I have a piece of Velcro on the backdrop stand, and basically I'm going to pull it all the way up so as if I was taking the photo from the ceiling, and I put another piece of Velcro on my phone. So I'm going to be using my iPhone 11 to take pictures. So the next thing you're going to do is lay out a grass mat, and I also got these two viney flowers from Amazon. So this is kind of the shape I'm going to stick to throughout this video. It's kind of like an oval shape, and I've already added some flowers in. We're also going to add in some vines in that middle space. You kind of see in the middle of the oval, because that's where you're going to be laying down, and you really want the flowers to kind of be on the outside so they can be seen. You don't want to cover them. So we're also going to add in some bushes and some white roses as well, and even some more blue flowers and some leaves. So remember to place your flowers on the outside so that way they don't get covered. So once you finish laying out your leaves, remember there's no certain way that this has to be done, so you can literally put them anywhere. But once you have your leaves laid out, you can start adding in those additional flowers. So I kind of stick them underneath of all the other vines that are kind of already laid out. And I kind of want the face of the flower to face up, because remember this is a laying down photo, so the camera is above us, and it just looks a lot better if the flower's looking up towards the camera. So here's what it looks like once you have all your flowers in. And for the next part, we're actually going to get one of our bikinis. You can do a one piece as well. I decided to do a bikini. And basically I kind of laid out my flowers the way I'm going to hot glue it to the bathing suit. Make sure you turn the bathing suit inside out in case you want to wear it again. And that way you don't have to worry about ruining the actual pattern of your bathing suit. Moving on to the photos, I am going to give you guys a tip because I honestly was struggling for a while to decide how I wanted to pose and just to get a picture that I actually liked. So my recommendation is to kind of tilt your head up. Even though majority of your body is laying down, don't let your head touch the floor because it kind of creates this weird shape in your neck. Even though you're straightening your neck, it actually looks a lot prettier to have your head up. So that's my recommendation for you guys. So here's how one of my photos turned out. I'm actually pretty happy with it. I was pleasantly surprised because I wasn't sure this idea was going to work out. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy follow along video. Let me know if there's any ideas you want me to try. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.